I'm just coming to pledge. Pledge India is my country. India is my country. All in observe. All in observe. Brothers and sisters. Brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am. And I am. Proud of. Proud of. This fish. This fish. And very intelligent. And very intelligent. I shall give my parents. I shall give my parents. Teachers. Teachers. And all elders. And all elders. Respect. Respect. And religion. And religion. Equality. To my country. To my country. And my people. And my people. I pledge. I pledge. My devotion. My devotion. India will be. India will be. And prosperity. And prosperity. Along life. Along life. My happiness. My happiness. Jai Hind. Jai. Thank you. Now I am going to invite Asia to say amazing fact. Happy morning everyone. My name is Aisha. I am from Grade-II Hazel. Now I am going to tell amazing facts. Nails, fingernails grow faster than toes. Nails. Fact number 2. Telescope red is red. Thank you. Here today weather report. Minimum temperature 70 degrees, 80 Celsius, 20 to 80 Celsius, Celsius. Maximum temperature 28 to 29 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Thank you everyone for your attention and participation. Thank you. I am going to invite our students to test our general knowledge. Please complete your questions.
ठीक है
Happy morning everyone. My name is Raja. I study Grade-II. Today I am going to test your general knowledge. Question for Grade-I. What is the national anthem of India? Jupiter Grade-II. I now study Grade-I. Question for Grade-II. How did the day start? Now I am going to invite Pawan to say few words. Good morning everyone. My name is Pawan from Grade-II Hazel. Now I am telling few words. Spell out for me. Not enough to face challenges. Thank you.